Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact a BDO customer service. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, there's a couple of different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to head on over to BDO.com. Once you're here, on the top of the page, click on top right, click on contact. And now you're going to come to a contact us form. If we scroll down, it will say please complete the form below and we'll respond to your inquiry within 1 to 2 business days. So jot in your details here and then say you'd like to speak to their customer support team. Another way we can do this is head on over to a site called pissconsumer.com and then just type in BDO. Then from here, click on BDO Unibank. It's got over 150 reviews. Scroll down and click on the contact section. And now from here, we should have a few phone numbers we can call. So depending where you're from, they got a US number and they got some other customer service numbers here. They've also got customer service email if you want to email them there. And if we go show more, they've got more phone numbers here as well.